All right, this Serenity is talking about AXTI. And this other one, SMTOI, they're up there and they're a large cap. So AXTI is the one we've been following for a while now and continuing to do well. And they're the iNp, indium phosphite substrates, these wafers, and all these other companies rely on them. But when she is saying that Trump signed executive orders to seize iNp supply chains from foreign-owned companies, okay, AXTI is a foreign-owned company in its sense because it operates in China, but it's listed in California, which I don't really know how that works. Because another one, a 1.4 on institution and government radar sensor and China export control ban precursors to their competitors because they're China. So, but see, they'll always be selling in China, but China is restricting AXTI's shit. And maybe someone can explain it to me. I don't know. AXTI maintains headquarters in Fremont. Its manufacturing raw material source heavily concentrated in China, making it heavily dependent on obtaining permits to export products to customers outside the country. Because operates manufacturing facilities in 3 locations in China. AXTI holds partial ownership of 10 Chinese companies for raw material sourcing. So they are China. China is AXTI. Now, this is where I started to look into other things. And I've been looking for this stock, but it has never given it to me. AI has never given it to me. So when I put in that girl's stuff, well, I don't know if Serenity is a girl or not. Because another one, there was this person, and I thought they were a girl because they had a girl picture, a girl in a yellow hat. And I always assumed they were a girl. And I was like, damn, this girl does well. And then I found out they're a boy. Just use it, whatever. But this company, Substrates Wafers, related to this, aligns with the ongoing discussion iNp's critically hyperscale photonics high-speed transceivers. Core business, they specialize in advanced compound semiconductor wafers, including iNp substrates, epi wafers grown on iNp bases. Everything I've been looking for. I've been looking for this guy. And they're going to be out of Wales, so they're UK. Pioneered scalable production in the industry. Okay, they've had a tricky road for sure, but the demand of these substrates has been just rising and rising, okay? So they're very similar. There they are, over the counter, 10 cents, 11 cents. The riskiest thing. I think I'm going to go all in. Because then I found them talked about in the Times, and, well, no, not the Times. I don't know what this is, some British one. This is from a few months ago. Comes to scale, they reported $118 million in revenue for last year. Earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation at 11.4. The company is forecast to make 115 revenue this year, 127. I think that could go up. I don't know. We'll see. Because China is actively fucking with AXTI. But see, that doesn't hurt AXTI shares. AXTI had a long stagnant road. But then they were able to overcome the restrictions in China. But they had more. But see, I'm wondering, I bet China's still selling to Jensen. They probably have a quid pro quo, whatever the fuck you say, I think. See, it's been the past 6 months they have had this rise. And they did dilute where they had but that was to expand manufacturing. But they're expanding manufacturing in China. They haven't said anything about trying to come here. So the restrictions could mess them up, but they're still going to have customers in China, and now they're going to be used as a pawn. So this could be interesting, but see, then I get nervous that they could have some type of repercussions on this exchange. Maybe I have no idea. But see, this is what makes me nervous about AXTI, but that British one, they're saying the British one has a footprint in the U.S. with a facility in North Carolina that benefits from government support. However, funding for the $50 billion CHIPS Act noticeably harder to come by, but they could get a different one. They could have, if it's really needed and China starts to mess with them, then they could make one of these companies invest in these guys and say, you have to invest in them because you need these substrates and China's not going to give them to you. And then the other company can only have some money. So, SMTOY. So this is very risky because they're a tiny penny stock in a lot of debt. And we don't know. But AXTI does have 40% of the market. Well, some people say that's a high estimate. Because then you have that other one, SMTOY. But we have to find these companies that are making the indium phosphate, whatever, substrates.